Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to a bonk update today. So private entry for September is open up. Check the top right of the video to see what the private is. Okay, what is private? All the question you may have, just check the top right of the video and you can watch a video regarding what the private really is. And if you want to be a part of the Discord, comment Discord on the comment section and I'll give you a fresh invitation link. Sometimes they actually get expired very quickly, so I really have to create for those who are really interested. So those are really interested, comment Discord and I'll give you the link. So here it is, and now we have seen some few meme coins pumping to the upside, and I think that bonk is still on a very safe department right now. Even though crypto is a little bit tricky right now, you do not even know what's going to happen. If I do look at Bitcoin did pump a little bit, but you can see that we're still struggling to get above here, which is actually this resistance here. So you're actually having rejection, and another rejection yet again. But then this actually does look like an ascending triangle. So basically we start to break above, which we cooled. All right, we cooled. There's still a suspense, but it could actually break for good and even maybe move up to $74,000. Okay, so that's something that we can actually expect. And the maximum time for Bitcoin, and it's important that I'm showing you Bitcoin because Bitcoin matters a lot and most of you should know this. And the maximum time for the break on Bitcoin is going to be 24 of August. Today's 20, 4 more days, and I kind of have a feeling that we're going to go up because this is a bullish pattern. Let me just be honest with you. Okay, this is ascending triangle. 80% of the cases, ascending triangle is bullish. And by the way, a lot of coins are really oversold in such a way that if the market does really pump like 10, 20, 30%, I may not be really surprised. But back into the bonk video, I noticed that bonk on the 15 minutes time frame is breaking above a particular support and resistance. So if I do notice, you have one touch rejection, and then another one here, rejection to the downside, and finally you have broken above all those rejection. It does look like we are in for the retest right over here. Okay, and the retest is is really trying to hold above it. It's really trying to get in there. It's almost like a zone that looks like this. So yeah, I'm just gonna say something like that. You can see just as I'm drawing the line, it's actually trying to retest successfully. Yeah, but it does look like some series of some few good candles are showing up. And also I think the EMAs are also supporting it. So you can see that the EMAs, the 10 and the 20, are coming into the rescue. So far, at least on the meme coin side, I think Pepe is the only coin that looks quite good. And if you do pump to the upside, I think we are going to see this pattern making a technical target. We might actually see a nice good push of nearly that's going to be 8.9%. Now there's one more thing. If you do that, if you do go to 8.9%, if Bitcoin tries to get back to maybe 74k, I think it's even safe to say we might actually see 2178, because this is where your next resistance is going to be. Now if you break above here and we start to continue higher, then we might actually see a technical target from there to there, and this could actually even move up to nearly 2757. But I actually think that if things really go good, then it's highly expected that we do see 2178 at least for first, and then 272, unless we don't really start to drop down really badly. I actually think the worst scenario is if bonk makes it down to 1534. Then this is going to be, I don't know, man, this is clearly going to be absolutely bad. And that's all for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one. Love, peace.